Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shroom token. Now the Shroom token is on the Solana blockchain. This is a new Sol meme coin. I saw it trending a couple days in a row on Dex Screener and Dex Tools. Name of the token is Shroom, and that is also the ticker symbol. And then I saw just today they got a brand new central exchange listing. So we're going to go over the information on the Shroom token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, the Shroom token, we'll go over a couple different ways to get this token, but first of all, they just got listed today, March 22nd, at 11:30 UTC time. They got listed on Poloniex, the Poloniex exchange. So you can get Poloniex, by the way, is not available in everyone's country, and that is why we'll go over a couple different ways to get this token. But you could download Poloniex from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you can get it on your PC, and then open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Shroom, and then simply just buy the token. So it is available now on Poloniex. Total supply of this token is 1,420,000,000 tokens. Mainnet is Sol. Their official webpage is trippylabs.com. And this token is a meme token on the Solana blockchain that is also available on Raydium or Jupiter or Orca. So those are some different decentralized exchanges you can get this token. So if Poloniex is not available in your area, you can get this token by, first of all, you need a wallet. So like Phantom Wallet or a Solflare wallet, any wallet that has Solana tokens. So you would fund that wallet with Solana, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the Shroom token using the contract address that you can find. It's probably on their webpage here. You can find this token, I mean, the best place maybe would be to search it on Dex Tools or Dex Screener, because on their webpage I don't see the contract address. I don't see it in their pinned tweet. A lot of the times they put it in their pinned tweet. This is their Twitter right up here at Trippy Labs. So let me see if I click on the pinned tweet. So the pinned tweet doesn't have it either. Yeah, so the best place would just be to search the Shroom token on Dex Tools or Dex Screener, and it'll pop up on the Solana blockchain. And just make sure you have the right one. This is the very well established one by Trippy Labs here, and it should have the webpage and all that stuff linked. You can click on their Sol scan as well. But yeah, so you find that contract address and then trade your Sol for the Shroom token. So they have their webpage, trippylabs.com. It says Trippy Labs is an award-winning agency fueled by a diverse collective of subject matter experts. Founded by Trippy, a pseudonymous creator or curator, artist, and technologist who has amassed one of the most recognized digital art communities, over 1.4 million members, in the past decade. As a multidisciplinary Web3 native studio, we've pushed the boundaries of traditional and abstract disciplines at the intersection of innovation, imagination, and impact. We incubate culturally significant projects, experiment with state-of-the-art technology, produce meticulously curated experiences, and empower creators. So there's events, digital art, and advisory. They've had $20+ million for charity and $45+ million for primary and secondary sales. So they are exploring the world through art and technology. We delve into the confluence of data, artificial intelligence, blockchain, memetics, new media, and virality. In an effort to animate the ethos of Web3, we are transparent, disintermediated, and adhocratic. It says here that they have team locations in LA, Miami, New York, Tokyo, Toronto, Berlin. They have events that they've had or been to Denver, Tokyo, Toronto, Waterloo, Miami, LA, New York City, Paris, just a huge list of them. So it says, we utilize our extensive experience to optimally scale business and strategize viral campaigns. We scout and combine the best talent, leveraging a mix of proprietary resources and connections with the largest digital art audience on the internet. We curate events and global campaigns with the top digital artists, thought leaders, musicians, and brands, ranging from hyper-targeted dinners to multi-stage festivals. Our guest lists include notable entrepreneurs, art collectors, VCs, celebrities, and C-suite executives from the world's most prominent companies. Our team encompasses a broad spectrum of expertise spanning both technical and creative domains. Over the past decade, we've established significant relationships with a wide range of diverse talent to be able to deliver unmatched insights and growth across mediums. We cohesively blend industry-leading experts with top creators and influencers, combining expertise of the most impactful subject matter experts with a meticulously streamlined framework. Now, this token here is, let's see here, it's on Dex Tools. It says they have $2.76 million in liquidity on Raydium, a market cap of almost 7 million, 20,250 holders, and a 24-hour trading volume of over $6 million today. So doing very well, this token. Go check it out. It's available on Poloniex as of today, and then Raydium and Jupiter. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.